Trent Siesmore of who? Of Jack Siesmore's son. Awesome at the awesome RV Museum. He's actually going to give us a personal tour of a couple of his favorites in there, Trent.
Yes.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for having us, man. It's going to be great, dude.
Hey guys, it's Kari from the Art of RVing. Mark's behind the camera right now. We have got Trent Siesmore.
Yeah, Trent.
Yes. Hey, how are you?
Cool, man.
We are at Jack Siesmore's RV Museum in Amarillo, Texas. If you are a new watcher, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are returning, thanks so much. We appreciate you guys. Come along. He's going to show us a few of his favorites.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
This one's probably one of our most interesting. This is an RV, the oldest Airstream that's left in the world.
What?
In fact, it's the only Airstream torpedo left. Originally, Airstream, you bought the rights to build your own Airstream. And so with those rights came the plans and the ability to build one Airstream and the serial number. And so Dr. Hallman built this 81 years ago. He traveled for 41 years to every state in the United States, every state in Mexico, and every Canadian province. So he used this one. Then his son used it for the next 40 years, and we purchased it from their family after the son passed away.
That's awesome.
So it's a really unusual piece. I know Wally Bynum, the founder of Airstream, tried to buy this back in the 50s, and the Hallman family would not sell it to him.
They'll be dying.
So even at that time, it was the only torpedo left.
Whoa.
So this is built in 1935. That's why it says 1935. Typically, this is a number that an Airstream member would have. And we actually, our Airstream number is 1935, so we were able to leave this on there.
Nice.
And but the neat thing, they had to put a serial number on it before we could buy it, and they used NCC 1701, which I think is the Starship Enterprise, and that's the serial number for this unit.
That's great, man.